Namaste, welcome to Sesreka's kitchen. Today I am making zucchini patties. These zucchini patties I am going to make some in the air fryer and some on the pan. So we will have some pan fried and air fried zucchini patties. These are not deep fried, so very healthy. So to make zucchini patties, take one large zucchini, wash it thoroughly and grate it. You don't have to peel the zucchini. Take the grated zucchini into a bowl and add some onions, green chilli and a little bit of salt. And mix it well, cover it and keep it aside. Now the zucchini is going to ooze out the water. After 10-15 minutes, squeeze out the water from zucchini. You don't have to squeeze it too hard. It is okay to have some water. Now take the zucchini back into the bowl. Now to this zucchini add half a cup of mozzarella cheese and 1 cup of wheat flour. If you want a gluten-free recipe, use 3/4 cup of chickpea flour and 1/4 cup of rice flour. Add finely chopped curry leaves and cilantro. Add some salt. Remember we added some salt earlier. Also add some black pepper powder and some red chilli flakes. You can also add any other spices you want and now mix it well. Once you finished mixing, take some batter into your hand and make it into patties. Once you mix everything, take some batter into your hand and roll it into a ball and then make it into a patty. You can also make these patties with squash or bottle gourd. This time of the year we get more zucchini, so I made with zucchini. I set the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 11 minutes. Place the patties in the air fryer and set the time and temperature. While I am doing one batch in the air fryer, I am going to fry some on the pan. After applying the oil or butter, put some batter on the pan and spread it into patties. While these are frying on the pan, let us go check the ones in the air fryer. I applied some butter and turned them over to the other side. Since I am not deep frying, I applied the butter thoroughly so they taste good. And I fried them on both sides and I had to check them a couple of times in between and turn them over. I fried both sides the ones on the pan also by applying some oil. I fried all of them until they are nice golden brown. The air fried ones are nice and firm. They taste good, but the pan fried patties are little softer but taste better. Obviously, I put more oil on the pan fried ones. They can be served with chutney or sauce. Try both ways or whichever way you like and let me know how they turned out. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to watch my Telugu channel also and try some of those recipes. And please don't forget to like my Facebook page.